Welcome to the Story Guide. Holi, a vibrant and joyous festival celebrated across India, is a time of colors, laughter, and renewal. This Hindu festival, also known as the Festival of Colors, marks the victory of good over evil and the arrival of spring. It is a time for people to come together, forget their differences, and embrace the spirit of unity and harmony. The festival is celebrated over 2 days, Holika Dayan and Holi. On the eve of Holi, Holika Dayan is observed, where a bonfire is lit to symbolize the burning of evil. People gather around the bonfire, chanting prayers, and offering sweets and snacks to the fire. This ritual signifies the triumph of good over evil, as it commemorates the legend of Prahlad, a young devotee of Lord Vishnu, who was saved from the clutches of his evil father, Hiranyakashipu. The following day, Holi is celebrated with great enthusiasm and fervor. People of all ages, irrespective of caste, creed, or religion, participate in the festivities. The air is filled with the vibrant colors of gulal, as people playfully smear each other with colored powder. Water balloons and water guns are also used to add to the fun. The streets come alive with the sound of laughter, music, and the joyous cries of people. The significance of Holi extends beyond its colorful celebrations. It is a festival that promotes social harmony and the spirit of brotherhood. People from all walks of life come together to celebrate, forgetting their differences and embracing the spirit of unity. It is a time to strengthen bonds with family and friends, and to spread love and joy. Holi is also a festival of renewal and new beginnings. It marks the end of winter and the arrival of spring. The vibrant colors symbolize the blossoming of nature and the rejuvenation of life. It is a time to let go of the past, embrace the present, and look forward to a bright future. The festival of Holi is not just about colors and fun, it also holds deep spiritual significance. It is a time to connect with one's inner self and to seek divine blessings. Many people observe fasts and offer prayers to seek the blessings of Lord Krishna and Radha. Holi is a festival that brings joy and happiness to millions of people around the world. It is a celebration of life, love, and the triumph of good over evil. It is a time to embrace the spirit of unity and harmony, and to spread love and joy to all. In addition to its cultural and religious significance, Holi also has economic and social benefits. The festival boosts the economy, as people buy new clothes, sweets, and other festive items. It also provides employment opportunities for many people, including artisans, shopkeepers, and event organizers. Holi is a festival that brings people together, irrespective of their social or economic status. It is a time to break down barriers and build bridges of friendship and understanding. It is a celebration of diversity and inclusivity, where everyone is welcome to participate. The festival of Holi is a testament to the rich cultural heritage of India. It is a celebration of life, love, and the triumph of good over evil. It is a time to come together, forget our differences, and embrace the spirit of unity and harmony.